With our final design finished, we can click View Print. It will display both orthoses side by side. You can write the patient's name in this box to have it displayed on the outsole. The bicolor name button will export a third name object that can be printed in a different material. For the most part, I would keep this selected unless we are out of stock of one filament.
It's also possible that the name wouldn't show up on the orthotic. Depending on the design and arch height, there might not be enough flat surface area for this name to print on. Inspect the name, and if it's free floating or disconnected in any way, disable it.
If we're trying to fit multiple prints at a time, we can use the spacing parameter to minimize the total space this pair takes up on the printing bed. This may only really be necessary for smaller feet, as a larger foot would likely not be able to fit two pairs anyway. You also have the option to only print the left or the right foot by selecting these two boxes. With the chamfer checked, we can make a multi-density print. It will separate an object for slicing that falls in line with the scan's topology, meaning that this acts as a Nora and cork situation. The mid layer being Nora and the chamfer being cork. So you can decide how thick each of these layers should be before sending them to the printer. Each of these layers have the option to be printed in a different material or a different density. Finally, we can export the STL files. A pop-up will let you decide where to export the files. The files will be exported in an assets folder with the patient's name. Within this folder contains the files that you selected for printing. In the next lesson, we will work with the slicer software and understand our materials and densities to get the right print result.